Hello guys, this is Silver here again. Welcome back to my channel. In today's video I'll be sharing with you guys another powerful boom and crash strategy. Alright, now this is a very simple and profitable strategy. Alright, with this strategy you only need two indicators, which is just the moving average on the main chart and moving average on the indicator window. Okay, and I'll be showing you exactly the way you are going to be using this in order to be profitable in the long run. Okay, so if you're excited and you want to see me do this, make sure you stick to the video to the end. Make sure you don't skip any part of this video, okay, because there are going to be informations you don't want to miss. Okay, and I'll also be showing you a price action trick you are going to be using along with this strategy in order to be profitable. Now, before I show you how the strategy works, I'll first of all share with you the indicators. Okay, now you have to click on this icon here, this one here. Okay, so after that, after clicking on the N icon, you have to click on this icon here and then you search for moving average. Okay, search for moving average. Now you can see the parameters for this one. Okay, so this, the period there is 20, the shift is 0, the method is exponential, the apply to is close, the style we have 3 pixels, the color is black. Okay, after that you click on save. Alright, now the next indicator here is the relative strength index. Okay, so you have to click on this icon again and then you search for the relative strength index. Alright, so these are the parameters for the relative strength index. Okay, as you can see here, the period is 14, the apply to is close, the style is 1 pixel, the color of your background. Now the levels, you have 15 and 85. After that you click on save. Now after adding the relative strength index, the indicator window 1 is going to be formed. Okay, now you have to click on this second icon here in order to search for the moving average. Okay, so that it will be added under the relative strength index. So you search for the moving average here. Now this one you have to make the period 10. Okay, make the period 10, which is this one, and then the remaining setting you are going to make it same as the first one. Okay, so after that you click on save. Okay, so if you do everything correctly, you are going to have a screen like this one. Okay, it's a very simple strategy to set up. Now this is how the strategy work. All right, you are going to first of all wait for spikes to occur. All right, so whenever there is a spike and the indicator here, right, gets to the overbought level, which is the 85 level here, whenever you see that it has gotten to the overbought level, right, you are going to be looking on the main chart. All right, so the next thing you have to wait for now is to wait for price to cross below the black moving average. All right, so whenever the price cross below the black moving average, that is a signal for you to sell. Okay, and whenever this signal is given, you have to take 5 candles and you exit the market. Okay, there's no need for you to stay more than 5. Okay, so you just take 5 and you exit the market. All right, so you can see this is where price is currently now. All right, so all I'm waiting for now is for this particular candle running now to close. So once this particular candle close, I'll be going in for a sell. All right, so let me set my lot size and then I'll take this sell. I'll take the sell so that you see how this works. All right, so now I've gone in for my sell. All that is left now is to wait and see how this plays out. All right, so like I said earlier, you have to take 5 candles with this strategy and you are done. All right, so same thing applies on crash. All right, but here on crash you are going to be doing the opposite. All right, so as you can see here, you wait for price to get to the oversold level here, and then on the main chart you wait for it to cross above the black moving average, and then once that crossing happen, you have to go in for your 5 candles, right? So for the zoom level, you are going to zoom out completely and then you zoom in twice. 1, 2. So this is all you need to know about the zoom level. And the screen setting, for the screen setting, you are going to be setting it here. Okay, you drag it to this area right here and then you leave it here. Okay, so make sure the setting, the screen, you are putting it in the middle of the N and the, okay, let me use the tool here and show you. You put it in the middle of these two icons. Okay, put it in the middle of these two icons. All right, and then you leave it. So that is where you'll be getting the quick signal from. Okay, so that is how you are to use this strategy. So let's check boom now and see what's going on there. Okay, so as you can see, the trade is still running in profit. All right, so I will just wait for the 5th candle and then I'll close my trade. All right, so this is all I have for you. Right, I've given you the condition for this strategy. So now all I want you to do now is to backtest this strategy. Okay, go out there and backtest it for like 2 weeks. Right, if you have to trade, if you have to like trade it for like 2 weeks, or you can backtest it 100 times and see how good it is. Okay, don't just take my words for it. Just like I always used to say, any strategy I give out here, you make sure you go and test it for yourself and see if it's good, and then before you go in with your money. Okay, in case you see it's me that make you to blow your money. All right, so you make sure you backtest it first. All right, so that is pretty much everything I have for you guys in today's video. All right, so if you are a new viewer coming across my channel for the first time, make sure you subscribe, turn on your notification bell so that whenever I post a powerful strategy like this, you get notified immediately. Okay, and please make sure you give this video a thumbs up. Okay, it will help a long way by getting my video recommended to others who will be getting same value you are getting now. Okay, so make sure the video gets to them by liking it. Okay, so I think this is pretty much everything I have for you guys today. I'll be seeing you guys in the next video. All right, thanks for watching. Silver out. Okay, so I'll wait for the price to get to my TP so that you see it. Okay, so we are in the 4th candle now, so let's wait for the 5th one. We have gotten to the 5th one, so I'll close the trade now. Okay, so I'll be seeing you guys in the next video. Thanks for watching. Silver out.